Welcome to the 2024 highlight reel. Here's to another year of Paladins. Hopefully, that is. Anyway, enjoy the video. Let's go. So, by the looks of things, there are ways to achieve immortality in the realm, but they're not easy paths to take, or without consequences. But as long as you're a main character in the Paladin story, you'll be fine, because you'll have plot armor. And if you do end up dying, Lilith can just resurrect you, though at the possibility of becoming a vampire afterward. We're not okay. I'm not okay, you guys.
Don't call it.
I'm not scared! I am not a pussy!
Stop it!
I called her here. What's up, hoes?
This bitch!
What am I supposed to do against this? What am I supposed to do? This. Oh. I'm scared. Wait. Does that mean
When I tell you this man is so fine. When I tell you this man is scrump-dilly-ishous. He make me wanna. Oh God.
Yes, we did it. Okay, boys. Oh, no, that's not allowed. Oh. Up your mom's in. I don't care if you're a bot. I'm gonna get the. You're not even the real one. What are you doing? Though I guess I should give him some credit. He is the only person in lore who has been shown to use abyssal magic without getting hopelessly overwhelmed. But that's all I can really think about, to be honest. He wishes for a death, but it'll never come because he's constantly being resurrected by Corvus. Can you just fall off the edge, please? That would be hilarious. No, don't make me do it. Omen was presumably human. He climbed a mountain in search of greater power, similar to Genos, but only the cosmos didn't answer him. So he decided to throw a temper tantrum and fling himself into the lava below. And Nyx saw this pathetic man and gave him the power to do what he felt God should. And also a garter belt with thigh-high stockings. You're welcome. Oh no. What the hell happened to you? Please get okay then. How did I kill you, Moji? The Dude, just fucking pause, dude. It's not that hard. It's not that deep! Stop. What the hell are you doing? Huh? What the fuck?
We Tigra are very religious. Our lives revolve around prayer.
I gotta go out. Get behind you, help me! I was followed. I'm gonna die, probably. Yep. Nope. You can't kill me. I'm invincible. Oh. What the hell? We see spirit figures on other champions' cards. Why are you yawning so damn loud? What the f is happening to me? I'm being shot at from behind. Backshot. What the f— That's not good. I'm gonna kill you. Oh. Stop it.
Enemy spotted.
Kill the horde.
What
Right
the
there.
fuck?
Oh shit. No, Daddy, please, please, Daddy. Daddy, please. Daddy, please. Please, don't.
Gotcha, bitch!
So, if you have Tigron, that means that a human... Oh. Well, I suppose with Tigrons like me on the market, I can't blame them.
Some, like Furia, can look into a person's soul and seemingly learn things about that person.
I will look into your soul. Oh, mortal? You're into some strange things. Oh, mortal?
You like what you see, huh? Yes! Feed me!
Get this man some water.
It's the only way to save him. He's dying.
Try and save yourself. Oh, whoa, what's this?
Triple kill. 15 seconds remaining.
I'm invisible like that to help. I'm crunchy. Are you ready to die? Oh shit! Wait a minute. Omen's design is so Thunderbrush coded. What the fuck? Wait a minute. It all makes sense. Can do this. Oh fuck. Maybe you can. Oh, mommy, save me from injustice. Mommy, 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 please. Save me from Andrew, please. It's unclear if other strong feelings have the same effect as a desire for revenge, and even then, it's clearly uncommon for a soul to stay in the physical realm if Kasumi is noteworthy. He fisted. He fucking fisted. Oh shit. He fucking fisted our victor. Death is a thing we must all face. It's inevitable, and one of you guarantee.
You are mine! You are mine!
Oh no! I have a script, it's right in front of my face.
Well, you do only call when you need my help.
A dubious little creature getting up to mischief. This is no good.
Oh, fuck. How did I miss somehow? The other major group of cosmic worshippers, Io's followers, don't seem to have any lore relating to death or I got it, guys. I got it, guys. The Pyre, also called the Eternal Pyre if you want to get fancy.
Triple kill. Woo! Killing spree. Victory.
If you are going to lose so easily, at least give me something good to look at while dying.
There's a bitch behind us, and her name is Mosey. I don't even know what you doing right now. I'm yep. This is. I didn't even grab it. It was so obvious. Oh shit. No, I went to. Excuse you. I'm not done. No, he's gonna kill me.
I'm sorry, little one.
I'm pushing the play. Ow! Son of a bitch. I win. I win. Stupid. So you can't beat me. I'm abusing the cover right now. No, no, please, please. Help, help. Oh no. Why me?
En garde.
This is not okay. I'm doing fun. You're actually fun. I can't. Oh no, I'm fucked. How did you see? Spirits are beings that once lived in the realm and, well, died.
Jotaro! Kisamado! Dio! ほう、向かってくるのか。逃げずにこのディオに近づいてくるのか。せっかく祖父のジョセフが私のザワールドの正体を試験終了チャイム直前まで問題を解いている受験生のような必死こいた気分で教えてくれたというのに。近づかなきゃてめえをぶちのめせないんでな。ほほう。では十分近づくがよい。
Oh fuck. Oh no. Oh no, oh no.
You stupid bitch!
My brother, can we pause, my brother? Please. Why is it being a bitch? Why do you exist? God damn it, pause!
You're ridiculous. I like you. Adieu, chérie.